Alright, in this video I'm just going to teach you how the best strategy for ranking health wellness sites with AI. So health and wellness, you need to first add a disclaimer, and after that you need to add an author, and it should be verified from very well recognized organization. Okay, and then you can automate a blog. So the best strategy is, first you need to add a disclaimer, and second it should be author, and then you can write a content. Now writing a content, you can automate this completely. So what you can do is you can use a tool like Raw, go into the overview, click on SEO article, and here you input a keyword, click on add keyword. It's just going to take you to the inputs page where you can click on generate article, and it will be generate and enter article just like this with all the blog images, content, tables, and FAQ. So I'll just let it load so you can see right here, even with the images and also meta description just like this.